ever thought you'd see the day when a high-tech foldable phone costs as low as $600? Well, that day has arrived with Tecno's newest innovation, the Tecno Phantom V Flip. Get ready to explore the exciting world of affordable foldables. Let's dive right in. What's the first thing you notice about the Tecno Phantom V Flip? It's all about style. Tecno didn't just go with a regular-looking foldable, they decided to make a statement. The cover display is unlike anything you've seen before. Think of it as a big black hole. Intriguing, isn't it? This circular display is more than just eye candy. It's a canvas for your creativity. You can preview emails, texts, and even throw in some widgets and toggles. Tecno also offers a range of whimsical wallpapers, and if none of those tickle your fancy, you can make your own with an animated GIF. It's all about standing out, and Tecno delivers on that front. Now, let's talk design. Tecno didn't just stop at the cover display, they've got something more. The back of the Tecno Phantom V Flip is a thing of beauty. The periwinkle-like pleather material feels fantastic to the touch, and the dual-tone design with a charm-like vanity plate adds a touch of elegance. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement. In a world where most phones are starting to look the same, Tecno's bold design choices set them apart. Open up this foldable beauty, and you're greeted by a 6.9-inch folding screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's great for indoor use, but it falters a bit in bright sunlight. The screen protector, however, is a letdown. It's smudge-prone and came out of the box looking less than stellar. We'll come back to that later. Now, let's dive into the technical aspects of the Tecno Phantom V Flip. Under the hood, it boasts the Dimensity 8050 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It runs on Android 13 based iOS 13.5 out of the box. The device also features stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Now, let's talk about the aspect that truly matters in a smartphone, the camera. The Tecno Phantom V Flip comes prepared to surprise you with its photographic prowess. It features a 64MP primary camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP selfie camera. In various lighting conditions, this phone proves itself as a solid performer. It consistently captures impressive photos and videos. However, it's not without its quirks. At times, the camera can be a bit sluggish to respond, and exposure issues may crop up. While it excels in ideal lighting conditions, low-light scenarios might pose a challenge. Video recording isn't perfect either, occasionally exhibiting exposure shifts and frequent resets. Nevertheless, considering its price range, the Tecno Phantom V Flip is a commendable performer. Now, let's talk about the battery and charging. The Tecno Phantom V Flip comes equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, providing you with ample power to keep you going throughout the day. What's more, it supports 45-watt fast charging, ensuring that you spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your device. Why should you consider the Tecno Phantom V Flip? Well, the biggest reason is the price, $600. In a world where foldables are known for their premium price tags, Tecno is breaking the mold. It's affordable, while still offering a unique and stylish design. It's a significant step forward for foldables, finally bringing them into the mid-range category. Now, let's make a comparison. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a leader in the flip phone game, but Tecno's Phantom V Flip stands out in terms of design and price. While the Galaxy is undoubtedly more capable, Tecno's bolder design choices and price point make it a viable contender. Sometimes, standing out matters more than just being the best. In the end, we have to acknowledge that Tecno's Phantom V Flip is a unique and bold entry in the world of foldable phones. While there are some compromises, it's crucial to remember that it's an affordable foldable, making it accessible to a broader audience. As with any new tech, there's always room for improvement, but Tecno's entry into the market is an exciting development. The Phantom V Flip could be a game changer in the world of foldables. So what's your take on the Tecno Phantom V Flip? Is it worth the $600 price tag? Are you excited about its design choices or waiting for something else? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us on Tech Without Borders. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates. And until next time, take care.